Hello, welcome to collective love reading. Collective ito, wala tayong specific zodiac sign. Yan. Kung mababanggit ko yung zodiac sign mo, pwede ko mabanggit yun, pwedeng hindi. Okay, so bahala ka na. Ang importante yung pinaka-reading. Start na natin, guys. I-ring ko lang tong Tibetan bell, so pakihinaan na lang ang volume dahil medyo maingay po ito. Okay, so this is for the sign of collectives. Lalo na kung tinatawag ka ng video na ito na panoorin, maaaring para sa'yo ang reading na ito. For collectives, please. Okay, for collectives. Kapalaran sa pag-ibig. Okay, collectives. For collectives, please. Kapalaran sa pag-ibig. You do have the Fool, followed by the Four of Swords, bottom of the deck, Knight of Wands. Okay. So, collectives, nakikita natin, alam mo pa bago-bago ka ng desisyon. May mga times na gusto mong mag-take ng risk. May mga times na parang ayaw mong mag-take ng risk dito sa connection mo with your person. With the Knight of Wands, I feel like you do like this person so much, especially with the Star. Nakikita mo siya na parang pangarap ko to or gusto ko tong taong to, gusto ko ng connection sa aming dalawa. And with the Nine of Pentacles, I feel like, kasi nakikita mo magiging mas successful kang tao pag mayroon kayong something like may bubuuin kayo with the Ten of Cups. But with the Ten of Swords, feeling mo rin naman hindi. Actually, ikaw yung nagiging magulo dito. But with the Six of Pentacles, nakikita natin ang possible na dahil sa pagtutulungan or yung iba, maybe you're dealing with a person na nagiging mas better kang tao dahil sa kanya. So, you know, you like the way you are pag siya ang kakonect mo or may relationship sa inyo. So, yun. Gusto mo yun. But, you're not so sure kung itutuloy or ipupush mo ba to. You feel like gusto mo or gusto mo mag-take ng risk. Pero some of you pwedeng tinatamad mag-take ng risk. Sino ba itong person na ito? For the sign of collectives, please. Person nakakonect ni collectives. Okay, person na nakakonect ni collectives. Hindi ko ito kukunin, masyadong marami. Okay. Believe it or not, meron kayong future nitong person na ito. Kung may pagkakalayo man sa inyo ngayon, especially with the world, this is separation. This is, the world at the bottom of the deck. So, may separation sa inyo ng person na ito, but I can see a future. Queen of Cups, yung iba sa inyo, this could be a new person. Ayan. And, this person loves you, mahal ka niya. Kahit may pagkakalayo. Some of you, sa'yo ko lang kuha yung wishy-washy attitude Hindi mo kasi alam kung ipupush mo yung connection ninyo or hindi. Emotion mo para sa taong to. Spirit guides, angel guides for collectives, please. Emotion mo para sa taong to. Page of Wands. I feel like nagiging honest ka naman regarding sa emotion mo na work muna, trabaho muna with the Eight of Pentacles. Or, you are still waiting. You're still waiting with the King of Swords. So, hindi ko alam kung sino tong King of Swords na ito. This could be other person, other people. So, maaaring naghihintay ka ng iba pang option kasi might be hindi siya yung gusto mo. Okay? Yeah, especially with the Two of Pentacles. It's like, ano-ano kayo, parang ka naglalaro, parang hindi mo alam kung gusto mo ba siya or hindi, ito-try mo ba or hindi. You know what I mean? You're wishy-washy. And, pwedeng ang focus mo sa ngayon is work, career, ganyan. And pwedeng nagiging open ka naman regarding doon sa bagay na yon. Anong emosyon ng taong ito para sa'yo? The Three of Swords, nasasaktan siya with the Knight of Swords kasi gustong-gusto niya Gustong-gusto niyang i-push ito. May mga times na umiiwas siya lumalayo and I feel like, or pwedeng may pagta-travel na ginagawa itong person na to kasi, you know, this could be a soulmate energy. This could be your soulmate. Kaya lang with the Three of Swords, sobrang, hindi mo lang siya isang beses nasaktan. Maybe hindi ka aware doon. Pero yung simple pa lang na nagpabago-bago yung isip mo, nasasaktan mo na siya nun. What will happen in the future for you? Collectives. For collective, please. Okay. In the future, guys, you're still undecided. Oh, at the bottom of the deck, Two of Swords. Nakikita natin na ikaw, you might be stuck or may boundaries sa inyo na to person na to. With the Ace of Pentacles, there's a new offer sa'yo pagdating sa money. Sa totoo lang, hindi ka naman kasi nagmamadali. You're still waiting for the King of Swords. And meron ka pa rin hinihintay. Hindi siya yon. Definitely. In the future, you are wishy-washy, hindi makapag-decide kasi ang hinihintay mo talaga is the King of Swords. Kung magde-decision ka regarding relationship, regarding love, si King of Swords ang pipiliin mo. But I don't know where King of Swords is. Let's find out later. No? Alamin natin kung nasan si King of Swords. But anyway, let's talk about the future. Yeah, you do have here the Two of Swords. The Two of Swords is, dito nag-match kayo, Two of Swords. And the Emperor is here. Etong person na to, nakapag-decide na siya na gusto niyang mag-build ng something with you. Gusto niyang bumuo ng something with you in the future. Pero of course, hinihintay niya yung decision mo. Hinihintay niya kung gusto mo rin ba ituloy itong connection na ito. With the Three of Cups, gusto niya makipag-reconcile sa'yo. So, alamin natin nasan ba si King of Swords. Bakit wala si King of Swords? Nasan si King of Swords? This is weird kasi actually the King of Swords is coming from the past. So, pwedeng may past person ka pa rin na hinihintay and that is the King of Swords. And you do have the King of Wands. Yan. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, gustuhin mo mang bumalik or gustuhin mo man makipag-connect dito. The King of Wands is yung person mo dito or yung isang person dito. Gustuhin mo man bumalik dito kay King of Wands or gustuhin mo man kay King of Wands na ibigay lahat sa kanya. The problem is yung love. Ito, nagkakaroon ng big challenge dito because might be mahirap siyang mahalin or mahirap ibigay lalo na kay King of Swords pa itong emotions na ito. Yeah, and you're still healing. So, hindi ka pa totally naka-heal dito kay King of Swords. That's why some of you medyo nahihirapan makipag-connect sa isa or sa iba dahil sa hindi pa nabibitawan na emosyon kay King of Swords. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.